Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. So firstly, I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you who decided to watch this video today, and an extra special thanks to the over 8,000 of you guys who decided to join the Momentous family. Welcome to another Bargain Moments by Boothe video, where my aim here is to find the most affordable real estate in Jamaica to rent or buy and put it on display for you before others trying to buy or rent affordable real estate even have a clue. If you like this video concept, don't forget to comment down below and hit the like button too. Subscribe to this channel and turn post notifications on so you can get a leg up on the competition trying to buy or rent affordable real estate in Jamaica. But enough of the chattings, I know I'm ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Before we jump into today's video, I just want to preface it with: number 1, this video is for informational purposes only. Number 2, I am not a realtor. Number 3, everything that I'm going to show or tell you here is public information and I got it directly from the MLS platform. Number 4, I do not know or am I affiliated with the real estate broker or the realtor renting this property. And number 5, please do your due diligence to ensure you protect yourself in all aspects at all times. But with all of that out the way, let's jump into this video for today. Alright, so today we're heading to the Sunshine City of Jamaica. Yes, Portmore St. Catherine, to look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom property that I found on the Remax Elite website. That is going for an asking price of $70,000 monthly, or $451.35 USD, or Canadian $570.22, or Great British Pounds 333.11, or 394.06 euros. The Remax website has contact information for themselves via email. There is not a number, I don't know why, but you can contact them at info@remax-elite.com.jm, and the MLS number for this property is 54877. Alright, so this particular property is located in Phoenix Park Village, which is a highly sought after area right now. The properties over there are selling like wildfire, and I believe persons are buying them and using them as rental properties, as this one is. And I've seen a lot more Phoenix Park Village rental properties out there, so I do believe that a lot of persons are buying them to make them investment homes. But these particular properties come with 24-hour security, and they are centrally located. A lot of schools, churches, shopping centers, the new movie theater is over there by Sovereign Village Plaza. Devanos Ice Cream is over there. There are beaches close by. You know what you get when you live in the Portmore area. And just to make reference to the 24-hour security, I've actually been over to Phoenix Park Village on a few occasions, and let me tell you, security over there is top notch, especially when you come up to the gate and they have this intercom system with a camera that you don't come directly up to the gate first. There's like a first layer of security where they greet you via a intercom system with a camera. They check out your identification before they even grant you access to come closer to the gate where they do a second verification to ensure that you are who you say you are before letting you onto the premises. I don't know if I was just lucky to get this type of security, or maybe I look like a criminal and they're trying to ensure that they don't let me in. I'm just kidding. But yes, security over there is top notch. The amenities for this property are that the interior flooring has ceramic tiles. The lot size is 3,501 square feet. The site influences are a central location, family oriented, low maintenance yard, recreation nearby like I was saying before. You have beaches, you have paintball, you have go-kart, you have the movie theater, and a whole bunch more things in and around the Portmore area that you guys can do. The gated community itself is a quiet space. You're jogging past there, parks you can just go to sit and relax and cool out. Pets are allowed in this gated community. That's a big plus for you. Dog, cat, hamster, snake, bird, all different animals that persons keep as pets. That's a big plus for you guys. So I'm very happy that this complex or this gated community offers the luxury of you guys being able to have your pets with you. I know pets can be great companions for us humans, and of course it is a gated community. Other, which the only other that's listed on the Remax website is that there's 24-hour security, but this is a big one because, as I said, the security over there is top tier. So there is a price comparison on the Remax website. So the average price for a Phoenix Village property is for rent is $80,833.33 JMD. The high point is 90,000 JMD and the low point is 70,000 JMD. And if you realize this particular property is renting for 70,000 JMD, which shows you that this is actually on the low side of the renting process for these properties. All right, but enough of me talking. We're about to jump into some of the pictures for this property so you guys can see what this property has to offer for you. All right, so let's jump on into it. All right, so this is the front of your property, where I covered with the Moments by Boothe sign. Down to the bottom left corner is where your lot number is. All the properties are identical, so be sure to look at your lot number so you can know where your property lies. You don't want to be going into somebody's home by accident. That's the paved driveway. Well, not paved, but it's gravel. That's how they come. This is a side view, so this is a side window that will show you your neighbor and the neighboring street. This is your entranceway, and I'm sorry about the pictures. These are the pictures that were provided on the website that I got, so they weren't that great, so I had to make the best of them. This is looking on the outside from inside the property. You see the ceramic tiling. It's all right on the inside. You have a decent shelf space on the countertops, and there's upper cabinetry and lower cabinetry on both sides. There is also a sink, but it is a single bowl sink. I wish they had gone double bowl, but that maybe space constraints and budgetary constraints made them go single bowl. But yeah, there is quartz countertops on those counters as well. This is your front room, and both rooms in this property I know for a fact are identical. The bathroom, this is the only picture I could get of the bathroom. So it's just a toilet and you have the shower tub combo. This is the back part, or the back room. So you realize you're looking at a back wall and it is fully fenced, or concrete wall with a barbed wire on the top for additional security. But thank you guys so much for watching this Bargain Moments by Boothe video. Please remember to tell me how I can improve this segment and make it better for you. But AB signing out.